If I were an athlete and I was starting from complete scratch today and I had to make $10,000 a month as quickly as possible, this is exactly what I do. Now, if you don't know me yet, my name is Leon Johnson. I'm a retired professional footballer, and now I'm running the largest education company in the world, helping athletes make an income online. And what I'm going to share with you in this video is probably the most valuable lesson that I've learned after generating more than $10 million online for companies and more than 7 figures through my own company, Athletic Freedom, as well. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna share the biggest mistake that you're probably making right now that is costing you tens of thousands of dollars in opportunity costs. With that said, let's get into it. What you have to understand if you wanna make more money is that you right now and everyone in the world gets paid for how much value they create, right? If you're working a full-time job, you're making $3,000 to $5,000 a month. It's because, to put it bluntly, your job is only creating that much value, and the business you're working for can only justify paying you that much in their monthly budget. If you are more valuable, if you made them more money, of course they would pay you more money, and you wouldn't settle for the amount of money you're being paid right now. So very simply said, you want to make more money, you have to create more value, you have to solve bigger problems. And let me break down what that actually means. Let's say you're working full-time and you're working construction, right? You're getting paid for your manual and your physical labor, because if they didn't have someone doing that job, the buildings, the houses wouldn't get built, the contracts wouldn't get signed for the construction companies, and they wouldn't make any money. So you're making $5,000 a month in construction right now. Let's say you're working an office job. They need manual and physical inputs, a human to do those tasks. And without you, the business wouldn't solve problems. They wouldn't, move things forward. They wouldn't make any money. Let's say you're working a customer service job. You're making $4,000 a month, working full time. You are the front-facing person of that company. You are giving people good experiences. You're making sure they come back. And that is why you're making that sort of money. Now, if you really break it down, every single one of those jobs is creating value by the job you're doing. So if you understand that before anything else, you want to make more money, you simply have to create more value by either doing your job better or solving a new skill for a company. And the easiest way to do that is not by trying to climb the corporate ladder and playing the political game for 3 years, or just simply working harder or working longer hours. The quickest way to create more value is by changing the opportunity you're in, because it's not always about how hard you row, it's also what boat you're in. And for me, the quickest way that I did it, going from working in a kitchen, earning minimum wage while being a professional footballer, to then making $6,000 my first month, I didn't work harder, I didn't get better, in the kitchen, I didn't become more efficient. I changed the vehicle and the opportunity I was in, and I made way more money. So I went from doing a job that anyone can do, anyone can really work in a kitchen with enough practice. The job was so easy to do. And the mistake you're probably making right now is when you found the job you're currently working, either you picked an easy degree, a degree that a lot of people are doing, or you walked right into a job that a lot of people can do, right? If there's a job that needs to be done and value needs to be created, but everyone can do that job and the supply is super high, you're not going to be as valuable, because anyone off the street could simply do the job you're doing and they're going to make you less, right? A normal doctor compared to a neurosurgeon, the neurosurgeon makes way more money because less people can do that occupation. It requires more skill and more training, therefore they're obviously paid better for it. I specifically started with the skill of sales. It's also the skill that I now teach athletes in my education company, Athletic Freedom. I took the company that I worked in with no previous experience from $120,000 a year in annual revenue to over $400,000 a year USD in annual revenue by simply me stepping into the business. I saved them time and I made them way more money. If I added more than $280,000 a year to a company, how much do you think they're willing to pay me for that? Well, the answer was they paid me $6,227 my first month, and 3 months later, I was earning more than $11,000 a month while traveling the world. And you might be thinking, how can a beginner make that sort of money so quickly? Well, let me ask you a question. Do you think a business, when they're hiring someone to save them time and make them more money, that they care about what experience or degree you have, or do they just care whether you can actually save them time and actually make them more money? Do they hire someone based on their experience and their degree and the piece of paper they got studying business for 4 years, or whether they simply get the results and make them more money? Well, I created the results for this company and I got paid very well for doing so. So you can go study business or marketing for 4 years or get an education, do whatever you want, watch all the YouTube videos, all the guides in the world, but no one will pay you their hard-earned money until they have full confidence that you can create them value by either saving them time and making them more money. And in this case, it's both. So if you're an athlete, you've been looking to make an income online, don't just take it from me that sales is the perfect place to start. All the greatest entrepreneurs of our time all say that the best opportunity and the best skill to start with is sales. Not only because you learn valuable skills that will serve you for the rest of your life, not only because it builds your character, because it does take some hard work, but also because you can make a lot of money very quickly if you get good at what you do. And with that said, I might be a bit biased because yes, this skill completely changed my life. I'm in Sweden right now in this mansion. 2 years ago, I was struggling to get by. I was freezing food in bulk. I was earning, 15 Australian dollars an hour, so 10 US minimum wage in a kitchen. Now I've come back after learning the skill of sales to Sweden in a mansion 2 years later. I now can make a lot of substantial money online while traveling the world, while having time to focus on my health, focus on my passions. 2 years ago, it was a professional football, and now I'm getting into MMA, just having time to enjoy my life. Now I went from struggling 2 years ago to now living my dream life because the skill of sales. But this opportunity hasn't just changed my life. I've also been able to help dozens of athletes just like me who are where I was, hit their first $10,000 months online through the exact same opportunity. So if you're working a job right now and you're looking to make more money, the mistake you've probably made is you pick the easiest job where you create the least amount of value that was the easiest to get. If you want to make more money, you have to pick a skill where you have a large effect of how much the business you're working with makes. If you're just working manual labor, you're just doing data entry, can you really quadruple the business you're working inside? If not, I'm sorry, you're in the wrong vehicle, you're in the wrong opportunity. To make a lot of money, you need to have a big control of how much money a person or a business makes. It is that simple. With that said, to wrap it up, if you're an athlete, you're looking to make $10,000 a month as quickly as possible starting from today, pick a skill, stick to it, learn it very well, and then once you're in demand, once you have the skill learned, offer your skills to a business, consistently apply it, and within a few months, I promise you that you will be making $10,000 a month. Now, with that said, I hope this video gave you some clarity on what you need to do, on the value you need to create to make the money you're looking to make. I hope it inspired you. I hope it gave you something that motivates you to change your life. I don't need this video to go viral, but if just one of you watch this video, you implement it, and you use it to change your life and hit $10,000 a month, I know I would have done my job and I'll sleep great. Again, this opportunity completely changed my life. I've been able to help more than 300 athletes do the exact same thing. I truly believe that life is too short to be broke and not be achieving your goals and be stressing and struggling, especially about financial aspects. There's more to life than worrying about money. You probably have goals and dreams and people you want to provide for in your life. And if you want some help hitting your first $10,000 a month, you can check the guide below this video. I recorded a 2-step guide exactly on how I would go about hitting my first 10K a month, specifically through the skill of sales. But either way, I hope it was valuable. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.